Welcome, Dorothy. We've been expecting you.
My name's not Dorothy, it's Emma. And who are you?
I'm Glenda, the Dude Witch.
Glinda, okay. So where am I?
You're in Pi,
What's Pi?
a magical circular world.
Magical circular world, of course. So how do I get home?
Well, it's simple, really. All you have to do is follow the gray concrete path. I'll give you some items. They should help.
My puppy! So where do we go again?
Here, it'll be easy if I just show you. Just follow me. So, this is it.
Okay, that was a little creepy there.
Oh, it's no big deal. Basic powers.
Okay, okay, bye?
Bye.
I have no brains!
Great, now the scarecrows can talk too.
I'm kind of, stuck to this tree here, like...
It's fine. It's fine, really.
Okay.
So, I have no home, and you have no brains, and we're gonna go on a trip, okay?
I have no brains.
Yeah, we're going to see the wizard for that.
Hey, let me go! No! Don't you have a heart? I need to get home to my family. I don't have a heart. Here, why don't you join our group? You can introduce yourself to the scarecrow over there while I go find us some food, okay? Come on. Now sit here, and scarecrows can be here anytime.
Hi, I'm the scarecrow. I have no brains.
I'm the Tin Man. I have no heart.
I have no brains.
You can't defeat me, you must solve the math problem, but you ain't got no brains. You're like chords, you can't think outside the circle.
Well, I don't have a brain.
Exactly, that's what I just said like 5 seconds ago, I know that. Well, you better find one thing if you want to defeat me, or else
Okay. So, in the same circle, or in congruent circles, two chords are congruent if and only if they are equidistant from the center. So, AB equals CD if and only if EF equals EG. Well, okay, so let's see how that applies to this problem. These two chords are congruent. So, wouldn't that mean that these two segments are also congruent? Okay. Okay. So, oh my gosh, algebra. How do I do this? I don't understand. Okay. Let's think about what I know. So, 18 equals 5x minus 7 because those are congruent, right? Okay. Let's write that down. Oh, okay. Oops. So, I would move that over. Well, okay. That's it.
No. That was way too easy of a problem. Try this one.
Oh, well, that's the same thing, except, yeah, it's the same thing, except just harder algebra. So, I think I can do this. Okay, so that segment equals that segment. They're equidistant from the center. 4x plus 1 equals x plus 8. Okay, I think that's right, right? Okay, so I think I'll move this x to this side. That would give me 3x plus 1 equals 8. Okay, so I'll move this 1 to that side. That would give me 3x equals 7. Well, in order to move that 3 over, I would have to divide by 3, and that would make it... Oh no, a fraction. What do I do with it? Okay. Alright. So, 7 divided by 3 equals... Okay. So, x equals 2.3 repeating.
Yeah, I did it!
You solved the problem?
Yeah, I solved the problem.
That means you beat me. I need you to solve a math problem, or else your Emma will be destroyed.
What kind of math problem?
A tangent problem, because you must think inside the circle of love to solve.
So we know EG is a tangent, so that means it is 90 degrees to this radius. The radius is 24 yards, so we know that x, which is also a radius, is 24 yards. In order to find y, we have to use the Pythagorean theorem. So it is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. We know a is 24, b is y, and c is x plus 8. Our x is 24, so we substitute it. So c equals 32. So what I'm going to do next is subtract 24 squared from both sides. So y squared equals 32 squared minus 24 squared. So y squared equals 448. We have to square root it to get y. So y would equal y is about 21.17 yards. And y just also happens to be the length of the tangent.
I've solved it! Nuh-uh! I actually have a heart now. You're pulling my leg. Ah!
So, Dorothy, I hear you're off to see the wizard.
My name is Emma.
Well, you can't even tell the difference between a tangent and a chord. How do you expect to get home? Tell you what, if you solve this math problem, I'll let you go home.
Well, I could just go to the wizard, and you don't seem like, trying to learn everything. So, I will be off now.
Solve the math problem or else.
Just what?
We're in the middle of the course.
Okay. So, what's the problem?
Chords. Well, there's a problem. It's hard to remember the difference between all of them. But the way I remember is chords equal to scarecrow, because she wasn't able to think outside the box. Tangents were the Tin Woman, because she couldn't be inside the circle of love, because she didn't have a heart. Secants are like me. I want to get in and out of this place. So let's see. It says label AB. So AB ends at the end of the circle. So it's a chord. CH is sort of like a chord, but it goes through the center of the circle, which is point out. So it's the diameter. Okay, FE. It's kind of like the diameter, but in half. It only goes from the center, F, to one of the outside points, which is E. So that's the radius. And JK goes in and out, just like I want to go in and out of this world of pi. So that's like me, which means it's a secant. Now LN. LN just touches the circle at one point, which means it's like a tangent. You can't go inside the circle of love. There we go. I think I've got it.
You've defeated me.
Witch. And now of our fine heroine, Emma.